Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a promo code for your products or events on the Pric platform. So let's get started. First, log into your Pric dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see our dashboard. On the left side of your screen, under the main section, click on promo code. Here you can see all your existing promo codes. Now, we will create a new promo code. To do that, click on the Add New button in the top right corner. Once you click on Add New, a pop-up form will appear. Now, let's go through each field one by one. First, enter the discount code of your choice. In my case, I'll add new 50. You can also click on Auto-Generate code if you want the system to create one for you. Next, choose the discount type. You can select percentage or flat off. In this case, I'll choose percentage. Below that, mention the minimum price and maximum price for which the discount will apply. For example, I'll set the minimum price as 200 and the maximum as 1,500. Then, I'll set the discount to 50%. One interesting feature here is that you can apply different discounts for different price ranges. Let's say I also want to offer a 60% discount for purchases above 1,500. I can add another discount option. Set the minimum price to 1,500, the maximum to 5,000, and set the discount to 60%. Next, choose the start date for the promo code, which will determine when the promo code becomes active. You can also set an expiry date, after which the promo code automatically stops working. If you leave this blank, the promo code will not expire. Now, select the products on which the promo code will apply. You can choose specific products or select all. For this demo, I'll select all. Once you've filled in all the details, review your information, and when you're ready, click Submit. That's it. Your promo code is now created and active. Now that we've created the promo code, let me quickly show you how your users can apply it. You can share the promo code with your community or anyone you want to give the discount to. When the person visits your product or event page, they will see a ribbon that says Have a promo code. Once they click on that, a pop-up will appear asking them to enter the promo code. They just need to enter the code and click Apply, and that's it. The discount will be applied to their purchase automatically. And that's how easy it is to create and apply promo codes on Pric. Thank you for watching.